Assalamualaikum, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Agil Pratama. You can call me Agil. I live in the Salapulo. I'm from Buton. Now I am 19 years old. My hobby is football. I am currently studying at Kinerja Persada University. My major is nursing.